Hey guys, I want to do a quick video for kind of a DIY hack for fixing my deck. I have a Craftsman LT 2000. It's an older mower, probably 15, 20 years old. It works really good. It's got the Kohler 17 horsepower. I don't know if you can see that. It's been great. Starts, and the only thing I've ever had to fix was swap the battery out, swap out the key. But anyways, this video today is about the mower deck rusting out. This is Florida. It's very humid here. We get a lot of rust. So instead of replacing the whole deck or scrapping the tractor, I'm just doing an easy DIY hack to get it done. So I just drilled some holes in the deck. You can see I put this brace in here to help with the stability of the deck, the strength. And then I just took this piece of Home Depot lightweight aluminum. I think it's meant for the bottom of screen doors, but anyways, you can see here I've already done it, and I just wanted to show you so that anybody else can do it too. I've got bolts on the bottom of my deck here. You can see down here there's one right there. I already drilled a hole with my drill. All you really need for this one is a drill with a drill bit and an assortment of nuts and bolts from Home Depot. Rather from Harbor Freight is where I got my bolts. But you see this piece of metal, which you can get for, it was about $15 at Home Depot. Probably get it online cheaper, maybe, or you could even use scavenged or salvage piece of metal. It doesn't matter. It's going to get beat up anyways from the mower deck throwing stuff. Main reason I was doing this is because the blade the deck had deteriorated enough so that the chute had fallen off, and the part that the whole top of it had broken away. And so there was, when I was mowing the yard previously, you could see the blade spinning right here. It was very dangerous. Anyways, all I did was I took the piece of metal and I used my tin snips here, which I have. These are aluminum snips. You can get them for a couple bucks at Harbor Freight also. I just cut it down, a single cut. This is not very pretty, and you can see it's probably dangerous. I'll probably use my hammer, my mini sledge here, to just finesse it a little bit, but it's good enough. Anyways, and then so I just put one bolt through here. I double bolted it, or I didn't double bolt it yet. I will put the other bolt on it with washers on each side so it doesn't pull through. Down here we have that helping it hold it in. Got another one down here holding it in, and there is another one over here. Let me put it behind that, and you can see I could go behind it and then go through the deck, but actually this is right here, so I'm just gonna actually move it up here and just put a bolt through here. Is it perfect? No, but for about 15 bucks and maybe like, you know, an hour worth of labor or something, it'll keep you from buying another mower or another deck. The decks are super expensive, even if you can find them for these old mowers. I know I do have welders, and I could get the proper metal. I could use my cutoff wheel or a plasma cutter and cut it in, make it look perfect like it's brand new. But I ain't got time for that. So this is what I'm doing right now. So anyways, for probably about, I'd say probably all in 20 bucks if you already have the tools, and maybe just a little bit more if you don't, you can fix your mower deck. So anyways, that's my deck fix for now. And if you guys have any questions or comments in the comments section, I'm sure I'm going to get some hate for the style of my fix, but I can take it, so let me have it. I dare you.